How to change region or country on Android. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today without any delay. Let's jump right in. First, open Settings on Android phone. Then scroll down in Settings and then click on System. In System, you'll find this kind of screen pop up. Click on Languages and Input. Click on Languages at the top, which is Country and Region. Click on Add a Language. Then you'll find different country and region. Simply select the one you prefer. After that, you can simply drag it to the top in this way. There is no direct way to simply change region or country on your Android, but what you can do is change language, which is also region, and country. This is how to change region and country on Android. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.